This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then take the first steps immediately. You confirm the carrier supports 5G and 4G handover, and make sure your plan allows 5G. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier settings. You open settings, plug into a stable charger if needed, then disable Wi-Fi and enable airplane mode briefly to reset radio. You do this to force the modem to re-register with the network. It clears sticky connections and prepares the phone to select the preferred RAT. You now change the network mode to force 4G. You navigate to mobile network and choose LTE/4G only or an LTE preferred option. This forces the modem to register on 4G rather than switching to 5G. Once selected, you toggle airplane mode off and on so the phone reattaches immediately, and if the connection still flips, you restart the device to complete the radio handshake. You do this because the phone's automatic preference can get stuck. Manual selection corrects the radio band. You finish by verifying the fix and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. You test browsing and calls to confirm LTE stability and run a speed test to ensure you're on expected 4G speeds. If the phone keeps reverting, reset network settings or try the SIM in another phone to isolate the issue. Most problems are SIM or carrier side. Make sure firmware stays updated, and if all else fails, contact your carrier. Ask for a network provisioning refresh or a PRL update to lock the device to 4G.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.